Hi everyone, so welcome to my channel. Myself Raza, and in this video I am going to discuss some more multiple choice questions related to the chapter similar triangles. So already I have made two videos related to this particular chapter. So if you haven't gone through them, so please watch them. And if you like the video, please share with your friends so that they also get benefited from this video. And one more important thing, so please don't skip the video. Try to watch the video till the end so that you can have different models so that could be covered in this video, right? Now without wasting your time, so let us start the video. So in the figure, triangle, so in the figure, angle ABC is equal to, so he's asking you to find out angle B. So this angle I need to find here, right? So this angle B is nothing but equal to, so how can you find this? So this is 30 degrees and this is 90 degrees, then automatically this is complementary of this 30 degrees, hence this value is 60 degrees, hence the answer is 60 degrees. Next, in triangle ABC, xy is parallel to BC, AX is to XB is equal to 2 is to 1, then area of AXY, triangle AXY is to triangle ABC. Now for this, for suppose consider the triangle ABC. So in triangle ABC, he has given that xy is parallel to BC. So xy is parallel to BC. So when xy is parallel to BC, then we can say that these two angles are equal because AB acts as transversal. Next, these two angles are equal. Now from this, what I can say, triangle AXY is similar to triangle ABC. When triangle AXY is similar to triangle ABC, then we can apply areas and sides concept, right? Now what he has given, AX is to XB. So AX is 2 and XB is 3. Now what we can say, area of triangle AXY by area of triangle ABC can be written as, so this is whole square of the ratio of the sides. Now when I observe, so you can see that AX is the side of triangle AXY, and similarly AB is the side of corresponding side of triangle ABC. Now directly substituting the value, AX is clearly 2 by AB is 2 plus 1, so whole square, which is nothing but 4 by 9, which is equal to 4 is to 9, hence answer is option Bombay. Next, in square, the diagonal is dash times of its side. Now if you observe, this is a square, so in a square, so this is the diagonal. Now for suppose if this side length is A, then this side length is also A, and this is a right angle triangle. Now diagonal is nothing but hypotenuse of this right angle triangle. So to find out the hypotenuse, we can make use of Pythagoras theorem. So from that, what we are going to have, so diagonal square is equal to side square plus side square, so which is equal to 2 times of side square. So from this diagonal, D is equal to root 2 times of A. Hence the answer is root 2 times of the side. Next, the side of an equilateral triangle is A. Its height is. So height of an equilateral triangle is given by H is equal to root 3 by 2 times of A. So this can also be obtained by using the concept of Pythagoras theorem. So let me tell you. So this is my equilateral triangle whose all sides are A's. Now from this, if I drop a perpendicular, so this will be height and this will bisect the base into two equal parts. Now if you want to find out the height, so you can apply Pythagoras theorem through this triangle. So from that, what you are going to have, hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. So A by 2 whole square plus H square. Now on transposing this, H square is equal to A square minus A square by 4, which is nothing but 3A square by 4. So from this, H is equal to root 3A by 2. So likewise we can prove it. So answer is root 3A by 2. Next, the ratio of areas of two similar triangles is 1 is to 4. That means A1 by A1 dash is equal to 1 by 4. Now the ratio of their corresponding sides, right? So already we know the formula. So A1 by A1 dash is equal to side 1 by side 1 dash. So which I can write it as, so this I can take under root, okay, this A1 by A1 dash I can take under root, so which will be equal to S1 by S1 dash. So from this, a1 by a1 dash is nothing but 1 by 4 is square root of 1 by 4 is equal to s1 by s1 dash. So from this, s1 by s1 dash is equal to 1 by 2. Hence the answer is 1 is to 2. Right, next moving on to question number 56. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Then AB is to P. So AB is to PQ means, so we can say that AB by PQ will be is equal to. So corresponding sides we need to consider. So we can consider as BC by QR. So which will be equal to AC by PR. Now based on this, so whatever the answer that is applicable, you can consider. So here AC by PR is given, hence you can consider that. Okay, so AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AC by PR, right? So likewise, next moving on to question number 57. Triangle ABC is an isosceles right angle triangle. So triangle ABC is an isosceles right angle triangle, right angle at C. So if it is an isosceles right angle triangle, then these two angles are 45 degrees, right? So this is A and this is B. Now from this, what I can say, so by using Pythagoras theorem, so we can use AB square is equal to AC square plus CB square. Already we know from this AC is equal to BC. So we can write it as AC square plus AC square. So which is equal to 2 times of AC square, or you can write as 2 times of BC square. So two answers are possible here. So AC square plus BC square. So AC square plus BC square is present here. Hence option B is my answer. Right, so along with this, so we can have two more answers. One is 2 times of AC square and the other one is 2 times of BC square. Okay, next, each angle in an equilateral triangle is, so each angle in an equilateral triangle is 60 degrees. Next, each exterior angle of an equilateral triangle is, so already we know exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. Already interior angles of an equilateral triangle is 60 degrees. So exterior angle will be equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. Since all angles are 60s, so 60 plus 60 is nothing but 120 degrees. Hence the answer is 120. Next, the longest side in a right angle triangle is called. So the longest side in a right angle triangle is nothing but called as hypotenuse, and it is exactly opposite to the right angle. Okay, next moving on to question number 61. So in the figure, triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC and AD by DB is equal to 3 by 5, AC is equal to 5.6. Then what is the value of AE? Now if you observe this figure, so these two sides are parallel, right? So when two sides are parallel, so we can apply basic proportionality theorem. So by basic proportionality theorem, so we can say that AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Or this can be changed as, so AB by DB is equal to AC by, so AC by EC. So this can also be written as AB by AD is equal to AC by AE. So how we are considering the left hand side, the same way we need to consider the right hand side. So firstly we have considered AD by DB, the same way AE by EC. So this is first consideration. Next, what we have considered, if I consider AB by AD, sorry, AD by DB, then here also I need to consider AC by EC. The same way, whatever the requirement that we have, AE since I need, so what I can do, simply I can consider AB by AD is equal to AC by AE. So that is what I have written here. AB by AD is equal to AC by AE. Now since we know all the values, AB means nothing but AD plus DB only now. So AD plus DB means, so 3 plus 5 by AD is 3 is equal to, AC is given as 5.6 centimeters, so directly I can take 5.6 by AE since I need to find out AE. So 5 plus 3 is 8. So in 8 table, 8 sevens are 56. So this I can write it as 0.7. Okay, I am doing cross multiplication. A is equal to 3 into 0.7, which is equal to 2.1 centimeters. Hence A is equal to 2.1 centimeters. Next, coming to question number 62. So here clearly, so these two lines are parallel. By using BPT theorem, we can say that AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Now substituting the values, since we need to find out AD value, AD by DB is 7.2 is equal to 1.8 divided by 5.4. 8 in 3s are 54. So 1.8 into 3 is 5.4. Again in 3 table, what I am going to get, AD is equal to 7.2 divided by 3. So 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12. Hence the answer is 2.4 centimeters. Hence the answer is 2.4 centimeters. Next, here in the figure, LM is parallel to CB. So here LM is parallel to CB. So when LM is parallel to CB, so we can apply Thales theorem. So using Thales theorem, what we can say, AM by MB is equal to AL by LC. Right? Next, what he has given, LN is parallel to CD. That means this side is parallel to this side. Now from this, what we can say, in triangle ADC, we can say by using Thales theorem or basic proportionality theorem. So we can say that AN by ND is equal to AL by LC. Now clearly, both these things have their right hand sides equal, AL by LC, and here also AL by LC. If right hand sides are equal, then we can equate the left hand side. So AM by MB will be equal to AN by ND. Hence the answer is AN by ND. Next, moving on to question number 64. In a trapezium, diagonals divide each other. So in a trapezium, diagonals divide each other proportionally. So proportionally means the ratio of the diagonals. So the ratio of the diagonals with respect to their intersecting points will be equal. That is nothing but they are in proportion. Next, if all sides are equal and all sides are all angles are equal, then such a triangle is called equilateral triangle. Then each angle will be 60 degrees. Next, in the figure, two triangles are similar, then x is equal to. Now, if you observe this carefully, so for suppose if I consider this angle as theta, this is 90 and this will be 90 minus theta. The same way here also, since this denotation already he has given, so it is theta, then this will be 90 minus theta. Now from this, if you want to write the similarity, so 90 minus theta, 90 theta, if I consider, I can say the triangle PRQ is similar to 90 minus theta, 90 theta. That is nothing but triangle LST. Okay, now is asking you to find out the value of x. Now from this we can say that PR by LS is equal to RQ by ST is equal to PQ by LT by using the proportionality of sides. So since two triangles are similar, the sides are in proportion. Now substituting the values. So PR value we don't know, SL value we don't know, right? So PR and SL we don't know, so no need of using this. So we can compare these two ratios. Now RQ is 3. So RQ is 3 by ST is 4.5 is equal to PQ. So PQ is 5 here by LT is X. Now I'm doing cross multiplication. So before going to that, so in 1.5 table, so this goes 2 times. In 1.5 table, this goes 3 times. Right? So from this, X is equal to 15 by 2. So X is equal to 15 by 2, which is nothing but 7.5. Hence the answer is 7.5. Next in the figure, the value of X is equal to. So we need to find out this X value. Now to find this value of X, so what should we do? Now clearly he has given that these two lines are parallel. So if these two lines are parallel, then these corresponding angles are equal and these corresponding angles are equal. So based on this, what we can say, triangle PMN. So triangle PMN is similar to triangle PQR. So based on this, so we can say that PN by PR So Pn by Pr is equal to Mn by Qr. So we can consider the ratio of the sides. Since sides are proportional, so we can make use of this. Now Pn is 4 by Pr is 4 plus x, which is equal to Mn is 5 and Qr is 15. So in 5 tables, so this goes 3 times and this goes 1 times. So when we cross multiply, 12 is equal to 4 plus x. So from this x is equal to 12 minus 4 is 8 centimeters. Hence the answer is 8 centimeters. Next, moving on to question number 68. So in the figure, x is equal to how much? So what is the value of x? Now if you observe carefully, so he did not mention that this is angular bisector or something, so whatever it may be. So he did not clearly mention what it is, right? So for suppose if I consider angular bisector, then what we can say, so we can find out the value of AB but not the value of x, right? So we cannot find out the value of x here. Okay, so there is no particular information so which clarifies that this angle, so what this particular symbol represents, right? So we cannot define anything here, so hence we can consider that data is not sufficient. Okay, next 69th question. So he has given triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. If these two triangles are similar, we can say that angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, and angle C is equal to angle R. Now he has given angle A plus angle B is equal to 100. That means angle P plus angle Q is also equal to 100, right? So sum of these two angles is 100. So clearly then automatically R will be 80 degrees because sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Hence angle C is equal to angle R is equal to 80 degrees. Right, next question number 70. Triangle ABC and triangle EF are similar and their areas are respectively 64 centimeter square and 121 centimeter square. If EF is equal to 15.4 centimeter, then BC is equal to. So here we need to follow the order. So order is important, right? So ABC followed by DEF. So from this what I can say, triangle ABC area by triangle DEF area will be equal to the squares of the corresponding sides. The squares of the corresponding sides. So what are the corresponding sides here? So already he has an EF. So based on this EF means, so here you will be considering BC. So BC whole square. Now substituting the values. So 64 by 121. So since it is square, so I can take the square root of this is equal to, here BC I don't know, by EF is 15.4. Now by taking the square root, so this becomes 8 by 11 is equal to BC by 15.4. Now in 11 tables, so 11 ones are 11.4. Now from this on doing cross multiplication, so 8 ones are 8, so 8 fours are 32. So 8 plus 3.2 is nothing but 11.2. Hence the answer is 11.2 centimeters. Right? So how to do simplification means, so 8 ones are 8. Next 8 fours are 32. So 32 means here it is decimal point now, so 3.2. So 8 plus 3.2 is 11.2. Likewise we can consider. Next, which of the following are the sides of a right angle triangle? So if you want to say the sides are, so sides are the sides of a right angle triangle, it means it should follow Pythagoras theorem. So the side should follow Pythagoras theorem, right? Now if you observe, 10 square is equal to 8 square plus 6 square. So 8 square is 64, 6 square is 36. So sum of those two will be equal to 10 square, which is nothing but 100. Right? So remaining options will not satisfy. So 5, 12, if it is 13, then it would have satisfied. But it is not 13 now. Right? So likewise we can verify. Next, from the figure, y is equal to how much? So since it is a right angle triangle, so in a right angle triangle it should satisfy Pythagoras theorem. No? So from that hypotenuse square, which is nothing but 25 square, is equal to side square y square plus, so 20 square. So this is 625, which is equal to y square plus 400. So when you transpose, y square will become 225, which gives me y is equal to 15. Hence the answer is 15. Otherwise there is one more simple technique, that is, so most of the triangles they follow 3 4 5 configuration. So if a right angle triangle follows a 3 4 5 configuration, so 3 4 5, then their multiples also follows the same. Here if you observe, this 25 is nothing but 5 into 5, and this is nothing but 5 into 4, then this will be 5 into 3. So here if you observe, it is a multiple of 5, right? So 3 4 5, so it is following 3 4 5 pattern. So directly we can say from that also. Next, moving on to question number 73. The diagonals of a trapezium ABCD in which AB parallel to CD intersect at O, and AB is equal to 2 times of CD. That means AB is the longest side and CD is the shortest side. Okay. Now this is my trapezium. So what he has given. So A, B, C, D. For suppose if I consider this length as x, then this length will be 2x. Then what is he asking? So since this is the intersecting point O, now in a trapezium, so the lines will be parallel to each other. Then this angle and this angle will be equal. This angle and this angle will be equal because they are alternate interior angles. So from this what I can say, triangle COD is similar to triangle AOB. So COD is similar to AOB, right? So these two triangles are similar. When two triangles are similar, then what we can say? So we can say that triangle AOB area by triangle COD area. So the ratio of triangle AOB area by COD area will be equal to the square of the corresponding sides. So here if I consider AB, here I should consider CD. So this will be whole square. So already AB I have considered as 2x, CD is x. So it's whole square. So which gives me 4 is to 1. Hence the answer is 4 is to 1. So there is no option 4 is to 1. Right? So hence the answer is none. But in examinations, so he might ask, he might give the options. Hence the answer is 4 is to 1 here. Next, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. 2 times of AD is equal to DE. So 2 times of AD is equal to DE means, so first of all, he has given ABC triangle is similar to DEF triangle. Now from this what I can say, AB by DE will be equal to BC by EF will be equal to AC by DF. Already from this condition, what I can say, if I transpose this DE, so AB by DE is equal to 1 by 2 only, no? So AB by DE is equal to 1 by 2. Now what is he asking? So he is asking to find out the value of EF when BC is equal to 8. Okay. So from this, I can compare these two things. So from that what I am going to have, BC is given as 8 by EF is equal to 1 by 2. When I do cross multiplication, so clearly EF will become 16. Hence the answer is 16. Next, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. BC is equal to 4, EF is equal to 5. Right? Area of triangle ABC is 80. So from this what I can say, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF will be equal to the square of the sides. So what are the corresponding sides here? So here is talking about BC and EF. So BC EF whole square. Now substituting the values, ABC is 10 by DEF we don't know. So DEF is as it is, which is equal to BC square is nothing but 16 by 25. So 16 5 are 80. When I do cross multiplication, area of DEF will be equal to 15 25 are 125. Hence the answer is 125. Next in the figure PQR, angle QPR. So angle QPR is nothing but 90 degrees and PQ is given as 24 centimeters and QR is 26 centimeters. Now clearly, since this is right angle, then this particular side acts as hypotenuse. right? So if this is hypotenuse, then what I can say from triangle PQR? So from triangle PQR, I can say that 26 square is equal to 24 square plus PR square. Now 26 square is 676, 24 square is 576. So 676 minus 576 is equal to PR square. So from this PR is equal to square root of 100, which is equal to 10. Now this particular length is 10 centimeters. Now again if you observe triangle PKR. So in triangle PKR, so what you can observe? PR is equal to 10 centimeters, which is hypotenuse. So from this PK square plus 8 square is equal to 10 square. Now 10 square is 100. So PK square is equal to 100 minus 64, which is nothing but 36. So from this PK is equal to 6 centimeters. Hence the answer is 6 centimeters. Next, moving on to question number 77. In the figure, QA is perpendicular to AB. PB is perpendicular to AB. So this particular line and this particular line are perpendicular to the same line AB. Then we can say that these two lines are parallel to each other. Next, if AO is 20 centimeters and BO is 12 centimeters, PB is equal to 18 centimeters. So PB is 18 centimeters. Then what is the value of AQ? Now clearly you can observe that these two lines are parallel. Then this angle will be equal to this angle. Alternate interior angles. Now by using angle. So AAA similarity, we can say that. So triangle QAO is similar to triangle PBO. So these two triangles are similar. So when these two triangles are similar, directly we can go with AO by BO is equal to, since I need QA value, right? So AO by BO is equal to QA by PB. Now substituting the values, AO is 20 by BO is 12, which is equal to QA, we don't know. So let it be QA by PB is 18. Now in 6 tables, 6 twos, in 6 tables, 6 threes. Right, again in 2 tables, so this goes 10 times. When I do cross multiplication, QA is equal to 30 centimeters. Hence QA is 30 centimeters. Next, moving on to question number 78. So angle A is equal to angle B and AD is equal to BE. So this AD length is equal to BE length. Right? Now, whenever I say angle A is equal to angle B, so whenever angle B A is equal to angle B, then in triangle ABC, what we can say? Their opposite sides are equal. No? That means we can say that AC is equal to BC. So AC side length is equal to BC side length, right? Next, what he has given, AD is equal to BE. Now from this, AC is equal to BC. AC can be written as CD plus DA only, no? Which is equal to BC can be written as CE plus EB. CB plus EB. Already what he has given, AD is equal to BE. That means AD is equal to BE. We can cancel it out. So from this, CD is equal to CE. So CD is equal to CE is my answer. CD is equal to CE. So this part will be equal to this part. Right? Now, and one more thing. So this part will be equal to this part and these parts are equal. So clearly, this particular DE line is dividing the ratio. So dividing the two sides in the same ratio. Then what I can say, DE is parallel to AB, right? So that is the only option we can write here. But here we are getting so many answers. So since AC is equal to BC is one of the sides which we can obtain, here we can say that CD is equal to CE. CD is equal to CE. If CD is equal to CE is given here, then it is okay. Or otherwise DE is equal to, so here I can write as half of AB. So there are number of answers for this question, right? So first answer is this, DE is parallel to AB, first answer. Then if you want to express this in the form of DE and AB, so DE is equal to half of AB. And if you want to express it in terms of CD, then we can say that CD is equal to CE. Okay, right. Next, moving on to question number 79. In the figure, in triangle PQR, QR is parallel to ST. QR is parallel to ST. PS by SQ. So this is given as 3:5. PR is equal to 28. So PR, this total length is 28. So here 3 plus 5. So 3 plus 5 means 8 parts. So we can say that 8 parts, if it is equal to 28, then one part is equal to 28 by 8. Now what did he ask? So he's asking PT value. So PT value means it is nothing but corresponding to PS. That means I need to find out 3 parts. So PT is nothing but equal to 3 parts, which is nothing but 3 into 28 by 8. So 3 into 28 by 8. So in 4 table, so 4 twos, in 4 table 7 times. So 7 3 is 21 by 2, which is nothing but 10.5. Hence the answer is 10.5. Otherwise, you can follow basic proportionality theorem. So what basic proportionality theorem states? Since I need PT value, I can write it as PS by PQ is equal to PT by PR. PS by PQ is equal to PT by PR. So PS is 3 by PQ is 3 plus 5, which is equal to PT, we don't know, by PR is 28. Right? So 5 plus 3 is 8. So this goes 2 times, this goes 7 times. Again, we are going to get the same thing. Right? So likewise also we can solve this question. Next, question number 80. In an equilateral triangle ABC, AD is perpendicular to BC, meeting BC in D. Then AD square is equal to. So what he has given? So ABC is an equilateral triangle. So this is ABC, equilateral triangle. So AD is perpendicular to BC. So AD is perpendicular to BC, meeting BC in D. Then what is the value of AD square? So already we know, for suppose if I consider the length as A, then this will be A by 2, this will be A by 2, and this is also A. Right? Now, from this, what is AD? So AD is nothing but height of equilateral triangle. No? So height of equilateral triangle is given by root 3 by 2 times of A. Now when you square it, AD square is equal to 3 by 4 into A square. 3 by 4 into A square. So since I need in terms of BDs, so what I can do, since I can do squaring on both sides, this gives me root 3 by 4 into A square. Now this I can write as root 3 into, can I write it as A by 2 whole square? So A square by 4 I can write as A by 2 whole square. Here A by 2 means nothing but BD, so I can write as root 3 times of BD square. Right? So when I do squaring, so there won't be any square root, right? So 3 by 4 into A square, so which is nothing but 3 into A by 2 whole square, which is nothing but 3 times of BD square. AD square is equal to 3 times of BD square. Next, in a trapezium, AB is parallel to CD. Then what is the value of X? So already we know in trapezium, diagonals divide each other proportionally. So proportionally means, so we can say that AO by OC is equal to BO by OD. AO by OC is equal to BO by OD. When I substitute the values, AO is x plus 5 by OC is x plus 3 is equal to BO is x minus 1 by OD is x minus 2. So when I do cross multiplication, so this gives me x square minus 2x plus 5x minus 10 is equal to, so x into x is x square minus 2x plus 5x minus 10 is equal to x square minus x plus 3x minus 3. On both sides I can cancel out this x square. 5x minus 2x is 3x. 3x minus 10 is equal to 3x minus x is 2x is equal to 2x minus 3. So transposing 2x and minus 10 to either side, then what I am going to have, x is equal to minus 10 will go plus 10, plus 10 minus 3 is 7. Hence the answer is x is equal to 7. If the diagonals in a quadrilateral divide each other proportionally, then it is a trapezium, right? So it is a trapezium. Okay, next question number 83. So in the figure, DE is parallel to AB. So when DE is parallel to AB, so we can say that triangle CDE is similar to triangle CAB. Right? So this is one set of similar triangles. And next, FE is parallel to DB. So when FE is parallel to DB, so what we can say? Triangle CFE is similar to triangle CDB. Right? So using this, so we can write CD by CA is equal to DE by AB is equal to CE by CB. The same way here also, CF by CD is equal to FE by DB is equal to CE by CB. CE by CB. Now what do I need? So I need to find out the value of CD square. So he's asking me to find out the value of CD square. Now if I want CD square, I can compare these two, because in both the situations CE by CB is there. So since CE by CB is equal to this CE by CB, that means these two are equal, right? So these ratios are equal. Then what I can say, CD by CA will be is equal to CF by CD. So now when I do cross multiplication, I can write CD square is equal to CA into CF, or AC into CF. Hence the answer is CF into CA is my answer. So likewise we can write instead of CA, so instead of CA we can write DE or CE also. Instead of CA we can write DE or CE. The same way instead of CF we can write DB or C. So that depends on the situation. So CD square is equal to CA into CF is the answer. Next, moving on to question number 84. Right, next 84th question. So DEF are the midpoints of sides BC, CA and AB respectively of triangle ABC. Then the ratio of the areas of. So already, so this type of question we have already discussed. So there is a triangle ABC in which, so D is midpoint of BC and E is midpoint of AC and F is midpoint of EAB. Now when we join these three midpoints, so I am going to form four triangles. So all these four triangles will be congruent. So let's see how. So when you join the midpoints, so this line will be parallel to this side BC, right? The same way remaining also correspondingly by using midpoint theorems. So we can say these two sides. So this side is parallel to side AC and this side is parallel to side EAB. Now clearly you can see that this is a parallelogram and areas of two parallel. So in a parallelogram, so when you draw a diagonal, so it will divide the parallelogram into two congruent triangles. So likewise everywhere, so since this is the common triangle for all the four triangles, so clearly all these four triangles will have the same area. For suppose if each area is considered as x, if each area is considered as x, then DEF is nothing but the smallest area which is containing x, and ABC is nothing but the area which is containing these four triangles, which is nothing but 4x. Hence the answer is 1 by 4. Hence the answer is 1 by 4. Next in the figure, PS by SQ. So let me take the triangle PQR, sorry, not PQR. So PS by SQ. So PS by SQ is equal to PT by TR. So in triangle PQR, PS by SQ is equal to PT by TR. By converse of basic proportional theorem, we can say that these two sides are parallel. Next, what he has given, angle PST. So this angle is equal to this angle PRQ. So this angle PRQ. Now this angle is equal to this angle, right? So then, since these two sides are parallel, so this angle will be equal to this angle. Already this angle is given as theta, then this will be theta. Already he has given that this is also theta. So when base angles are equal, then we can call this triangle as an isosceles triangle. Next, sides of a rhombus is 4 centimeters, then its perimeter is. So what is perimeter of rhombus? So perimeter of rhombus is nothing but 4 times of side. So 4 into 4, which is equal to 16 centimeters. Hence the answer is 16 centimeters. Next, here x is nothing but the exterior angle of this triangle. So which is given by x is equal to 70 plus 65. So which is nothing but 135 degrees. Next, two sides of a triangle are 3 centimeters and 4 centimeters. So here the triangle is right angled triangle. Then you can make use of the Pythagorean triplets 3, 4, 5. Already two sides are given as 3 and 4, then automatically the third side will be 5. Next, question number 89. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, and he has given AB by PQ. So AB by PQ whole square will be equal to area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR. Now substituting the values, so 3 by 4 whole square is equal to, so area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR. So which is nothing but 9 by 16. Hence the answer is 9 is to 16. Next, 8 square plus 15 square. 8 square is 64 plus 15 square is 225, which is equal to 289, which is equal to 17 square, which is nothing but k square here as well. So from this k is equal to 17. So the value of k is 17. Next, the angles of a triangle are in the ratio 1 is to 2 is to 3. That means if I consider the angles as k, then k, 2k plus 3k is equal to sum of angles is 180 degrees. So the sum is 6k. So 6k is equal to 180. From this k is equal to 30 degrees. So the largest angle he has, so 3k is equal to 3 into 30, which is equal to 90 degrees. Hence the answer is 90 degrees. Straight angle means, so straight angle is nothing but a linear angle which is equal to 180 degrees. Next, in the figure, PQ is parallel to MN. PQ is parallel to MN and KP by PM. So KP is 4, PM is 13. KN, this whole length is 20.4. Now we need to find out KQ. So if I want to find this KQ, then I can write it as KP by KM is equal to KQ by KN. Now substituting the values, KP is 4 by KM. KM means this whole sum 13 plus 4 is 17 is equal to KQ. I need to find it out. KN is 20.4. Now doing cross multiplication. So KQ can be written as 20.4 into 4 by 17. Now on doing simplification, so 4 4 is 16, right? So 4 2 is 8. So this is 81.6 by 17. So 81.6 by 17 means, so 17 fours. So 17 to 32, so 34. So it is 78. So it is nearly 4.8. Right. Next, moving on to question number 94. So in the figure, DE is parallel to BC. If AD is equal to X, so AD is equal to X, AE is equal to X plus 2, DB is equal to X minus 2, and CE is equal to X minus 1, then what is the value of X? Right, so since he has given DE is parallel to BC, so we can apply basic proportionality theorem. So we can say X by X minus 2 is equal to X plus 2 by X minus 1. So when you do cross multiplication, X square minus X is equal to X square minus 4. So X square gets cancelled. So from this X is equal to 4 is my answer. Right, next, triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF, DE by AB. So DE by AB, so is equal to, so here he is talking about areas, hence we can make it whole square is equal to area of DEF by area of triangle ABC. So when you substitute the values, 2 by 3 whole square is equal to 44 by area of triangle ABC. Now 2 square is 4 by 9 is equal to 44 by area of triangle ABC. Now in 4 this goes 11 times. When you do cross multiplication, area of triangle ABC is equal to 99 square units. Right, hence the answer is 99 square unit. So these are all the different types of questions so which are present in this chapter similar triangles. Right, so stay connected to the channel for further more videos. Right, so thank you for watching.